Hey, I just wanted to quickly tell you that I was recently invited to contribute to a medical journal with regards to the use of essential oils as an adjunctive treatment to pain management. Now, what I wanted to share here is the fact that I'm not treating pain. I am treating the system. I'm supporting the system. So the case study that I'm actually sharing with them is how to restore homeostasis in the body through the use of essential oils. And this comes down to actually working with the entire system. It's about creating health and wellness, not trying to fix something. Pain management is really about controlling, right? It's about controlling the pain. And when I step in and support pain management, it now is about helping the body release the pain so that the individual can not only feel better, but actually